welcome to Always Alyssa. How are you guys doing? You will not believe where I am right now. So I am standing under the Bridalsville waterfall. It's a little hard to see because of all the reflection, but I'll get a better view in a minute. Anyways, I am in Yosemite right now. We are staying at the Pines Resort and I am absolutely thrilled because we came here last summer and I had a blast and we're back. So it's gonna be a lot of fun.
We made it! Exciting! Yay! By the way, look at this. Oh! How are we gonna pick? Here, let's look at our view. Look at Maui, he's already exploring. Oh, look at the sunset, you guys. Oh, we have a barbecue. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Oh. I didn't even bring a hat. How do we pick? Looks good, guys.
Here's my dinner tonight. It's a super yummy Reuben sandwich and some pink lemonade.
Look at that burger, Michael. Looks so big. Got some good food. Philly cheesesteak. Looks like Chris and Zach got some good cheeseburgers.
Okay guys, so it is the next day and I just found out something absolutely amazing. So I am here at this ice skating rink. I am so excited, but here's the cool thing. We're gonna get to go ice skating all by ourselves. There's gonna be nobody else, just us. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I am thrilled. Plus, they even are going to give us s'mores and hot chocolate. So like, this is gonna be the best day ever.
We're gonna have the time of our lives over here. You're gonna have chocolate by itself? We're just picking up our skates. Good job, Michael. Michael's been going this whole time, practicing. And Chris, look at you. Good job. Okay. Oh gosh. It's like the splits. Good job, young son. Cute little boy.
I do better on ice.
This is kind of like math. You don't like it unless you can do it. If you walk, clearly art is my thing, not this.
She's a good artist. She doesn't have to be a good ice skater. Okay, you guys have a trick, David?
You know what? I think it's time for me to give up. I'll
No,
get back to making s'mores.
Don't give up. Oh wow, Chris has a new activity. Push-ups. Good job, David. Well, you're doing burpees?
We just did some ice skating and now we're doing some pickleball.
This is his favorite game. Don't let anybody catch him. Oh, someone touched you, Maui.
wait. I didn't have
Oh,
up more.
change of mind.
Hold on. Hey, Owen. Well, actually. Okay. I think I got it. Okay.
Here she goes.
There's the waterfall. It's super bright out here, but you can kind of see it. So cool. I got a sandwich, some chips, and a banana for my lunch, and we're eating it under the waterfall. There's Maui over there.
30,000 years.
Hi, Maui. Maui's loving this hike we're doing. He's clearly a mountain dog.
I see a log for me to walk on down. On the log. Up here.
Oh, good boy.
Maui, come. Come on, Maui. Come on, Maui. Come on, Maui. Good girl. Good boy.
This is a canyon live oak tree with mistletoe in it. That's mistletoe right there. And there's a better look at El Capitan. Definitely doesn't look as tall as it is, but that is very tall. It's beautiful.
So pretty. I love it.
We're almost back to the parking lot. This was pretty cool. Just taking this view one more time, guys.
You're welcome. Plate's hot, okay?
Wow, not the big plates.
Here's my dinner. It's fettuccine alfredo with salmon on top and some pink lemonade. Say hi, Chloe.
What is it? Where? I mean, you generally don't go towards bears, but
Where? It is the next day and sadly the last day of our trip, but we're starting off with something really exciting, Yosemite VR. I'm so excited.
Pieces. So we're going to teach you how to do the goggles first, and then you put the headpieces on afterwards, and like put the chairs.
This is so cool. I'm so excited. VR stuff is awesome. So cool. We just finished the VR experience and it was literally so cool. Like we were in a chair that could move like 360 degrees all the way around. It was super amazing. It showed us all about Yosemite. It taught us, and there were even scents. almost like Soarin', the ride. There were like scents that you could smell throughout the ride. It was really cool.
For some reason, this is extremely exciting. We're laying down in chairs in the theater.
Yeah.
Chloe's down
It's
there.
all for
I think it's her
movie.
first movie too. We're in these comfy seats.
We're at the movies right now. We're about to watch Puss in Boots. I'm so excited. Now I'm walking Maui. We're heading back to our car and we're gonna go get some lunch.
We have arrived. This place is so good. They literally have the best food ever. And what's David's favorite thing about it?
Well, they have homemade root beer here.
It is delicious.
This is my lunch. It looks absolutely amazing.
Nice guy.
Wow.
Look at that. That looks pretty cool, huh?
I just finished my burger. It was probably the best burger I've had in my entire life. And now I saved a little room for dessert. So we got some brownies. It looks so good. Okay, everyone. Well, I just got home from my trip last night. As you can see, I'm gonna start unpacking soon. But I had a great time. So you guys are definitely gonna have to tell me in the comments what your favorite part of the trip was. I think tubing was probably one of my favorites because that was a lot of fun. But comment and tell me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!